டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீவர்மாஸ் வெல்னஸ் அனைத்து நோய்களுக்குமான ஆயுர்வேத மருத்துவம் தமிழகம் எங்கும். ஃபார் அப்பாயின்மெண்ட்ஸ் 99944411 and 9994211666.
Today we held a full moon Chittirai month conference near Mamallapuram, Tamil Nadu. Many lakhs of people had attended this conference from all over Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, as well as Malaysia, Singapore. The demands of the conference was basically social justice, and Tamil Nadu state government should do a caste census, maybe caste survey. The reasons are that 69% reservation of Tamil Nadu is pending, the case is pending in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court had asked the state government 10 years ago to do a census or survey and give data to justify that there are 69% of people living in Tamil Nadu as SCs, STs, MBCs and BCs. Second demand is like Kerala, the single largest community, the Irava community, has got 14% reservation. Likewise, the one-year community in Tamil Nadu should get separate reservation or at least internal reservation within the MBCs. Also, after the state government had done a survey, caste survey, under the Indian Statistics Act 2008, all the communities who fall under the reservation category, who are not getting any benefits because of reservation, because the major chunk of the seats or education is carried away by few majority communities within the reservation community. So to know this, you need data. And to know a data, you need to do survey. The central government is going to do a census which is going to be at the macro level. We need micro level data, like in Telangana, they have done a micro level data. They have asked 56 main questions and 19 sub questions. That is 75 questions to get data and to justify for the augmenting of the reservation 1, to give internal reservation 2, and to give social welfare schemes to the section who have not been receiving any benefits all these years. Also, we need to break the ceiling of 50% reservation at the central level. We need to abolish the creamy layer for OBCs. That is all the demands which we have given. We need reservation in the private sector. Why? Because 15 years ago, the total employment in the central government were nearly 36 lakh people. Today, it has come down to 26 lakh people. The PSUs have been disinvested and there's no jobs. And the state government in Tamil Nadu, 15 years ago, Tamil Nadu state had nearly about 12 lakh state government employees. Today, it is only 8 lakhs. And the group 4 and group 3, they have been outsourced. Also, we need reservation in the higher judiciary, and we need step-by-step prohibition in Tamil Nadu, and to eliminate the drug abuse systems, substance abuse which is rampant in Tamil Nadu. So with all these demands, today we held a conference requesting or imploring the state government to take a caste survey immediately for social justice. Mr. Stalin only talks about social justice. He doesn't implement anything about it. And Mr. Stalin has lied in the assembly, saying that he doesn't have any power to do a caste survey. His counterpart in Telangana, Revanth Reddy, they are in the same alliance. his counterpart in Karnataka, Siddaramaiah ji, they could take a caste survey. Andhra Pradesh has done a caste survey. Orissa has done. Bihar has already done. If those states could do a caste survey, I don't know how Mr. Stalin can't do a caste survey. He doesn't want to do it. And he has no iota of social justice in him, unlike his father. This demand, we are demanding this not for this one community, but for the entire socially, educationally, economically backward section of Tamil Nadu.
So DM, keep on, the PMK is asking about the caste census, even the state government. Union government has cleared their path, but making the announcement, the Prime Minister announced that. So how do you are going to meet our Chief Minister very soon on demanding these issues?
See, my leader has been requesting for a caste census at the central level as well as the state level. At the central level, he has met former Prime Ministers Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, Mr. VP Singh many times, Mr. Vajpayee many times, Mr. Manmohan Singh many times, and currently Mr. Modi ji many times, insisting on a caste census during the national census. And I'm happy that our Prime Minister has announced a caste census along with the population census, which is due soon. And I would like to thank our Prime Minister for that. And demands of my leader for 45 years have been fulfilled, and we are grateful. At the same time, I said that national level census is a macro level census. They may ask maybe 4 or 5 questions, which is not enough to have data, which the courts are asking us to justify, saying that if you want to give internal reservation for any community, you have to justify, one, the population, second, the social backwardness. The social backwardness data can't be got by the national census. It could be got only by the state census or state survey. And that is what we are asking the state government to do, a survey like Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra, Orissa and Bihar. And we will insist, if needed, we are going to do a lot of protests with all the like-minded communities who are so downtrodden, who had not been benefited due to reservation in Tamil Nadu.